Hey guys, iMAT here. In today's video, I've got my hands on the Datoy's latest L8 Pro smart glasses, which are biker smart glasses and have amazing specs. Let's go ahead and find out what's inside the box. So first of all, we get a pouch here. Let's place it here. Other than that, we get a USB-A to 2-pin magnetic charger inside it. And here we have the user manual. And in the end, we get the polishing cloth. So let's move everything on the other side and take a look on the smart glasses. Here is the pouch. Let's get them out. So here they are. They look amazing for the bikers. As you can notice right away, they have polarized glass. And if you look from this side, you can notice that it is also compatible with prescription lens. It has great grip. We get the nose grip right here. On this side we have the magnetic charging points. Then here we have the speakers. The speakers are also looking of great quality, and we also get the microphone, and we have the gestures area to control the media playing on the device and also to control the music. If we look on the front side, we get the flashlight here, and here we have the camera. So let's turn it on. I'll have to press and hold this button. There are two buttons given here. Let's press and hold it. So I've heard a sound, which means that it has now turned on. So to click a picture, you'll have to press it once, and here you can see that it has clicked the picture. And if you want to record a video, you'll have to press it twice, and here you can see that the video recording has started. So when the flashlight is continuously turned on, it means that it's recording a video. And if it blinks like this, it means that it's clicking a picture. So let's take a few closer shots, and then we'll be connecting it with the application. Let's record a video now. They have mentioned that it comes with stabilization option. Let's connect it with the smartphone now. It's using the Homage application. Let's connect the device. So here it is, L805. Pair it, and now it is connected. So we have a little tutorial on how to use it. It also has a new firmware update. I'll be updating it later, and we'll be showing the changes in the full review, which will be available on iMAT Gadgets. Let's go to album, and here you can see that it's showing 6 items of media resources can be imported. Tap here to import it. Before that, make sure that video stabilization is turned on. It's really necessary. So join the temporary Wi-Fi network, and here you can see that it's connected now, and the video files and the pictures are currently being imported. So here's a quick look at it. Obviously it won't tell anything, so I'll be sharing the next shots with you. Just give it a few more seconds. So here's a quick picture. You can see that it has clicked this picture, and after that, if you check out the video, here it is. You can see that as of now the stabilization process is not completed, but still it looks quite smooth, as you can see here. In a full review, obviously I'll be going out and testing it on the bike, but this was a quick look on the camera. Other than that, it comes with speakers using which you can listen to music and also take calls. It also comes with a microphone. So what do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. If you're interested in purchasing it, the link is given in the description box. So the full review will be going live on iMAT Gadgets very soon. Make sure you are subscribed there, and make sure to subscribe to Unbox with iMAT for the future unboxings like this. I will see you in the next one with a new unboxing.